Okay, 皆さんこんにちは。Now I am going to create a video or short video for vocabulary chapter 12. In chapter 12, actually you are going to learn how to convert the adjective into past tense. Okay, it's about tenses. Okay, that's why after this you will see a lot of adjective, even though you already learned a lot in chapter 8 before this. Okay, but now you are again going to add up to your vocabulary about adjective and then learn how to transform it into past tense. Past tense, yes, past tense. And so we are talking about tenses here. Alright? Okay. Without wasting time, we move on to the first vocabulary. The first vocabulary is na adjective kantan na. The meaning is easy or simple. Okay, so that's why I no need to explain anything because you already know why the na character is inside the bracket and so on. I will explain everything in chapter 8 before this. Alright, so the next one is e adjective. The first e adjective for today, chikai, meaning near. Okay, so it's about the distance. Okay, the next one is opposite to chikai, toi, and the meaning is far. Alright, the next one is hayai. Hayai can be two meanings. If the first one is fast, about the speed, the next one is early, about time. So if you want to say about speed, make sure you are using with the right word related to speed. Okay, kuruma wa hayai desu. Desu ka is fast. Okay, and also if you want to say about time, make sure you use the related noun to the time. Okay, kyou no asa wa hayaku okimashita. Today I wake up early in the morning. Alright. Okay, the opposite to hayai is actually osoi. Also can be also two meanings, slow or late. So if you want to say the computer is very slow, kono pasokon wa osoi desu. Or also you can say I wake up late to this morning. Kyou no asa wa osoku okimashita. Alright. And the next vocabulary is e adjective for the meaning many people. Okay, oi. Hito ga oi. Okay, it can also use to the noun other than people, but now just for example here giving the word about person. Okay, people. So opposite to oi, sukunai. Hito ga sukunai. Or another meaning is little. Alright, the next one is atatakai. Okay, atatakai can be two meaning here. You need to be careful. Okay, the first one is about the room temperature. Okay, so the your surrounding temperature you can use atatakai, and also for object temperature also you can use word atatakai. Okay, the meaning is warm. Okay, but for opposite word you need to be careful. Okay, for what related to room temperature, I mean surrounding temperature, the opposite to atatakai is actually suzushi. Alright. Suzushi meaning cool. Okay, because there is another word for you to say cool what related to object temperature. Okay, later on. Okay, amai meaning sweet. Okay, so amai meaning sweet. Karai meaning hot or spicy. Omoi meaning heavy. Okay, karui is opposite to omoi, light. Okay, and then this one is the word e. Okay, for example here, kohi ga i, but the picture is not about kohi lah. Okay, the picture is about the different thing. I prefer aircon compared to the fan. Okay, so what does it mean here? Okay, the e is actually a vocabulary we can use to say what we prefer about. Okay, so if you say kohi ga ii desu, I prefer coffee. If you say aircon ga ii desu, I prefer aircon. Okay, so it's about your preference. The next one is simply about noun, kisetsu, season. Okay, so now you are going to learn how to say season in Japanese language, but most of you I think already know. Okay, haru is spring, natsu is summer. Okay, aki is autumn or fall, and then fuyu is winter. Okay, so another one is tenki. Okay, tenki is actually weather. Okay, so Why we are learning related to weather here? Because in Japan, weather is one of the important thing you need to deal with, because the weather in Japan is changing a lot. That's why it's very important thing to Japanese people. Okay, that's why you also need to understand when Japanese people say, even if you see Japanese people, okay, and then you not sure what is the topic to speaking about, okay. Usually Japanese people are just saying 今日はいい天気ですね or today is nice weather, out of no idea. Suddenly they are using the topic as a conversation. This is about Japanese culture. So how to respond is up to you lah. Okay, if you see Japanese people speaking to you like that, okay, 今日はいい天気ですね. Usually if you not sure what to speak, okay, you just saying そうですね. Okay, this is something later on maybe you are going to learn. Okay, so weather. So ame is rain or rainy. Okay, yuki is snow or snowy. Okay, kumori is cloudy. Okay, and then the next one is not about weather anymore lah. Okay, hoteru is hotel. You need to be careful with the pronunciation. Hoteru. Okay, kuko is airport. Okay, umi is sea or ocean. Okay, if you go to beach, sometimes Japanese people also say umi e ikimasu, even though you are actually saying about beach. Okay, sekai is world, party is party. Okay, party, the right pronunciation. Okay, festival is omatsuri. Okay, or is actually optional. That's why it's inside bracket. But usually they use together omatsuri. Okay, and then sukiyaki is food from Japan. Okay, beef and vegetable hot pot. Okay, very popular when in the winter. Okay, sashimi is a sliced raw fish. Okay, you can imagine sushi lah. Okay, so sushi, I think I no need to explain about sushi, but for sashimi, maybe some of you not sure what is sashimi. Sashimi is actually sushi without rice. Okay, to make it simple to understand, sushi without rice is sashimi. Okay, tempura is seafood or vegetable deep fried in butter. Okay, usually they use seafood or vegetable. Okay, and then toriniku is chicken. Okay, and then butaniku is pork. Okay, this one you need to remember, especially for Muslim student. When you go to Japan, this is something you need to be careful about. Okay, for non-Muslim, you no need to be careful about this lah. Okay, okay, gyuniku is about beef. Okay, and then remon is lemon. Okay, be right pronunciation, remon. Ikebana, I'm not sure how many of you know about this one. Okay, the translation is actually flower arrangement. Actually, this is one of traditional culture in Japan. They are collecting the grass or flower outside the home, and then bring it to home and try to arrange so that it look very nice. This is one of the art in Japan, ikebana. Okay, and the momiji is actually maple red leaf for in autumn. Okay, and then this is one of the picture for autumn. Okay, and then the next one is dochira. The meaning is which one between two things. All right, and if you want to say both, you can use the word particle mo, dochira mo. Okay, ichiban meaning the most. Okay, why we are learning this vocabulary here? Because when, one of the grammar you are going to learn in chapter 12 is actually how to make a comparison. Okay, and also how to choose the best one from the option. Okay, that's why you are learning this vocabulary here. Actually, ichiban and the most meaning. Okay, zutto meaning by far. So if you see the difference is a lot, okay, you can use this one, zutto. Okay, hajimete meaning for the first time. Okay, tadaima actually I'm home. When you are going back to home, this is the word you are going to use. Okay, And then the person in home will respond to you, okaeri nasai. Sorry for no picture here. Maybe next time I can put the picture. Okay, and then the next one is about expression. Wow, sugoi hito desu ne. Wow, look at all those people. Meaning, when you see a lot of people, this is the word you can use. Okay, the next one is tsukaremashita. I'm tired. If you feel tired. Okay. And then the next one, Gion Matsuri, the Gion Festival, the most famous festival in Kyoto. Actually, just now we learned the vocabulary about Matsuri. Okay, so there are a lot of Matsuri in Japan. This is one of the festival in Japan lah, but in Kyoto and Gion Matsuri, Kyoto City. Okay, so this is the picture for Gion Matsuri. Okay, so a lot of people you can see. Alright, the next one is simply about Hong Kong. I don't need to explain anymore. Singapore. Be careful with the pronunciation. Singapore, not Singapore. And then this is some fictitious supermarket, ABC store. And then the last one also fictitious supermarket, Japan. Okay, so this all for vocabulary chapter theft. Later on we are going to study about the grammar. Okay, sayonara, bye.